Hi everyone. Today we will learn 5 easy watercolor techniques. I am going to use these 3 brushes today. The middle one is to carry enough water and the other ones are for fine details. We will start with wet and wet technique. Start by coating the paper with clean water. Now, we'll prepare the desired color shade for our poppy flowers. I am mixing here scarlet red and crimson lake. What makes this technique wet on wet is that the paint is put on a wet surface. The water on the paper let the paint spread organically and gives it a blurry effect. While our first poppy dries, we will paint the second one using wear on dry technique. Here, we'll direct paint our flower on the dry paper and let it dry. For glazing technique, we need to change the consistency of our paint, so I am adding some water in the Since glazing is all about layers, so we will create multiple layers overlapping each other. Meanwhile the first layer dries, we will work on the fourth technique, that is, charging. As the name suggests, this technique is about charging the painted part with color. Watercolor painting needs patience. You will have to wait patiently while the water in the paint dries. So, we are moving on to our fifth technique, which is dragging. We will start by making an opaque bleeding texture with the paint. Then, with clean water, we will drag the color as shown in the video. Now, as the first layer of glazing is completely dry, it's time to paint the second layer. Let this layer dry and work on the remaining petals of dragon technique. With the help of the other 2 fine brushes, let's paint the details of the flowers that are completely dry. Now, charge the petal with paint in the charging technique. Work on the techniques simultaneously. Complete the poppies by painting the details. Our poppies are ready. Try these easy techniques and tell me if they were helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. And also, subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials.